Namaskar. Welcome to the beautiful city of Guwahati, Assam, India. Respected Dr. Mahendra Bhai Manjuparaji, Honorable Minister of State for AYUSH and Women and Child Development, Government of India. His Excellency Dr. Thet Khang Win, Honorable Union Minister of Health, Government of Myanmar. Her Excellency Madam Safia Muhammad Said, Honorable Deputy Minister of Health, the Government of Maldives. Respected Bodo Rajesh Koteshaji, Secretary, Ministry of AYUSH, Government of India. Respected Pramod Kumar Pathakji, Special Secretary, Ministry of AYUSH, Government of India. Respected Manoj Nasariji, Advisor, Ayurveda, Ministry of AYUSH, Government of India. Respected dignitaries, members of media, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to greet the health ministers, expert, official, business delegate from different SCO countries as well as from India for joining this important B2B conference and expo on traditional medicine organized by Ministry of AYUSH under India's presidency of SCO Council of Head of State 2023. India is the land of knowledge and is bestowed with abundant natural resources. India is one of the 17 mega biodiverse countries in the world with a forest coverage of 7,13,789 square kilometers, that is 21.71% of the country's geographical area, with 45,000 identified plant species. India has made best use of available natural resources through traditional system of medicine to provide health care to people as well as towards achieving the goal of universal health coverage. Our food and diet has a major role in maintaining our physical as well as mental health. Ayurveda and other traditional system of medicine has laid high focus on specific health benefit of various food items and their recipes in treating minor health issues as well as to supplement the therapies provided to treat various diseases. Millets play a major role in providing necessary minerals, fibers and other ingredients to the body in bioavailable forms. On India's Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's proposal, the United Nations has declared 2023 as International Year of Millets. Since the start of the year 2023, millets, according to the regional choice of people, are being integrated in daily diets. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, yoga has achieved universal acceptance across the globe. The International Day of Yoga is celebrated every year on 21st of June with great enthusiasm worldwide. Yoga has immense potential in providing stability to body and mind. Daily practice of yoga helps to maintain harmony even in difficult situations. As you all know, Indian traditional system of medicine have played a vital role in the mitigation and treatment of COVID-19. Ministry of AYUSH has supplied Ayurveda medicine to many other countries to protect themselves from COVID-19. The Global Center for Traditional Medicines of World Health Organization being set up at Jamnagar, Gujarat, India, with the support of India, will help member countries in taking enabling steps in their respective countries for strengthening education and practices of traditional medicine. It can act as a force multiplier in each member state in providing an access to safe, effective and low-cost coverage for promotion of health and prevention of disease in all member states. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, at the SCO summit at Samarkand on 16 September 2022 has remarked that India will take the initiative for a new SCO working group on traditional medicine. This B2B conference and expo on traditional medicine under SCO is organized by the Ministry of AYUSH to deepen the cooperation among member countries and partners through dialogue and trade in the field of traditional medicine. I am sure that the B2B conference and expo on traditional medicine will provide an opportunity to business delegates who have traveled from various countries to interact with each other. I convey my best wishes to all and request everyone to enjoy the beautiful land of Assam, India. With these few words, I again extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you here present. And I wish you a very, very fruitful and memorable stay at Guwahati, Assam, India. Thank you. Jai Hind.